When I first came across a Sensaphonics, I felt that I had discovered a new relationship between people and sound. I studied acoustics engineering in Columbia College, Chicago. I then came across Sensaphonics, which has the most different approach when they develop the actual products. Sensaphonics was founded by an audiologist named Miko in 1985 as a researching and development company committed to the controlling the damage of effects of loud sound, especially regarding musician and hearing loss. Sensaphonics developed the custom field in-ear monitors designed to act as hearing protections for musicians. It isolates performers from ambient sound.
Hi, my name is Miko Raimundo. I'm the co-director of Sensaphonics Australia, as well as the marketing and customer service manager. I studied music at Box Hill Institute. Have worked with a lot of musicians in Melbourne, a lot of bands and productions, and I've also gone to countless gigs as well, so I'm pretty much in touch with the music scene here in Australia. Having talked with a lot of musicians, producers, engineers, or even just the average gig goer, we've come to realize that there's a lot of neglect going on in regards to oral health, and that's something Ryota and I definitely want to change here in the industry, and we want to get people to be a lot more aware of the potential damage they can be doing to their ears, and we really want to prolong that music life by keeping that quality of their ear as pristine as possible, because as my production lecturer back in uni once said, once they're stuffed, they're stuffed.
All our products are custom made, using your ear impression to create your custom earpiece just for you. All people have a different ear shape, even right ear and left ear. So we create each product by hand.
I first met Ryota about 3 years ago. To make a long story short, we basically became good friends and found out he was working in Sensaphonics in Japan. When I learned about what he was doing and in particular his philosophy in regards to music and oral health, I just thought that it was a message that the Australian music scene really needed, and I basically just wanted to put two and two together and hopefully introduce the philosophy of Sensaphonics to the vibrant and unique music scene that's here in Australia.
During the last 6 years, I have worked with many talented musicians from both Japan and the United States, and I have heard many stories of people suffering from hearing loss. And I found that the problem seems to be related to the development of live performance environment. In the history of the development of this environment, every country has faced an issue of the ever-increased volume in the live performance area, to the point they are as high as possible. In this era of blasting sound, the damaging of hearing becomes almost unavoidable, and I'm sure there will have been many more great music produced if it wasn't for this.
Statistics say that about 37% of all hearing loss is totally preventable. In fact, about 1 in 4 will have some sort of significant hearing loss here in Australia by the year 2050. What we want to do in Sensaphonics is to obviously get that percentage number down, as well as making people more aware of their oral health, and just to prevent a lot of the potential hearing loss, particularly within the music industry, where a lot of people are obviously using their ears to make their living, to make fantastic music, and that's something that we don't want to lose here in Australia.
The difference between Sensaphonics and other in-ear monitors is that Sensaphonics in-ear monitor are shared by high medical grade soft silicon. It cuts up to 37 dB of ambient sound. We also make custom fitted earplugs for musicians, which is also created with medical grade soft silicon gel. It gives balanced sound reductions with very little disruption of frequency response.
But I also think that we can use in-ear monitors for a whole lot more than just blocking out ambient sound on the stage. I think we can think outside the box in regards to how we synchronize, for example, visuals or any other creativity when it comes to things on stage. And I think there's just a massive potential for a lot of the creative types here in Australia to utilize in-ear monitors. Let's just see how far it takes us.